Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're checking out the QuadraTop SkyLite roll top for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL and the 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT, equipped with a factory hardtop. This panel is designed to be a complete replacement for those two factory Freedom panels, and it gives you the option of running in a closed or fully open position with just a moment's notice, and you don't have to remove those Freedom panels and worry about stashing them away. The Skylite roll top is available in two fabric options for you. You can choose the black diamond material like I currently have installed on our Wrangler, or for an even more premium look and feel, go with the Black Twill material. Now, with the top in the closed position like I have here, you're going to be protected from the rain and the elements. There's two arched bow assemblies underneath of the fabric to help shed water away, and the hook and loop fasteners on each side above the door openings are sure to keep you dry when the weather changes. Now, when you want to get that open air feel and the weather turns nice, it's as simple as flipping two latches above the visors, and then we can simply roll the Skylite roll top back, popping that bow out of the notch in the door surround and tucking it back for a neat and compact roll here, giving you an unobstructed view of the sky. Now, with it rolled back, you're not going to have to worry about any wind noise or buffeting as you drive down the road, and it's held in place with a pair of straps and G-clips that hook into the provided loops on the top of the top and can be cinched down nice and tight. The top is also available with the optional mesh sunshade, so on those days where maybe you want that open air feeling but a little bit of protection from the bright sun, we can simply roll that mesh sunshade out right from the driver's seat forward, hooking it above the visors. Getting your Skylite roll top installed on your Wrangler or Gladiator is an easy process. Out of the box, it's going to include two heavy-duty door surrounds, along with the Skylite roll top assembly and the optional mesh sunshade if you chose that option. Before we get started with the installation, we first need to remove those factory Freedom panels and set them aside to make sure that they're protected. Next, we can install our driver's side door surround by placing it through the pre-existing holes in the driver's side sport bar. Secure the door surround in place with the two provided thumb screws. You'll want to pay close attention to make sure that you don't pinch the weather seals at the windshield or the B pillar. Next, we'll repeat the same steps over on the passenger side, securing that door surround in place. Before we install the Skylite roll top assembly onto the vehicle, if you chose the option with the sunshade, we'll go ahead and install that now here on the worktop. Remember, we're working upside down, so make sure that you roll your sunshade with the hooks facing up, and then we can secure the sunshade to the roll top assembly with the provided bungee straps. Next, we can set the roll top assembly up on top of the hardtop of the vehicle. I find it easy to place it upside down, or you could have a friend help you set it into place. Roll it forward, paying close attention to make sure that the mounting tabs set into the notches on both the driver and passenger door surround. Secure it from the underside with the provided screws, one on each side of the vehicle. Finally, we'll close the two latches on the underside of the Skylite roll top, securing it to the hardtop. It's just that easy to get your QuadraTop SkyLite roll top installed on your Wrangler or your Gladiator. And of course, operating it takes just a few moments, giving you the flexibility of opening up your vehicle for a great view of the sky, getting some protection from the sun, or fully closing it up when the weather changes. If you want to get more information or to purchase a QuadraTop SkyLite roll top for your Wrangler or Gladiator, you can click that info button to head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the top or how to get it installed, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. If you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.